Alright, here's an update on the cabinets. Pretty much the design came out mostly the same as the actual final product came out mostly the same as the design. Shaped it along the side of the inside of the door jamb and closed off on the inside there. Put a 1/4-inch shelf, so this, when it's mounted, will be a pretty decent little cabinet area on that side. Then we've got the same thing on the passenger side as well. So this is going to be nice. Now here's this area is going to be mattress, and this is a acrylic window, so I'll actually be able to pull that out and have full visibility through the back of the Jeep with no cargo in the back anyway. So all in all, it's going well. Things are coming along. Gonna have some nice cabinets, shaped quite a bit of storage actually. If I just built box cabinets, you can see how much storage there would have been with just a straight box cabinet, but shaping it into the side of the Jeep and into the window gives a huge amount of storage back there. So anyway, project continues. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and keep you updated as this project is finished up here. Thanks everyone. Alright, here's an update on this bulkhead. You can see I've got the electrical remodel box in. Right now what I'm doing is I'm putting in some weather stripping. This is just MD Auto and Marine rubber weather seal. This is less for weather and more for vibration, and it's a little bit of closure at the top gap. And the bulkhead is coming along nicely. I ended up using Rustoleum undercoating for the bulkhead to give it a nice matte finish, and it's come out pretty good, because there were some areas that were a little bit with the filler were a bit shinier with the than others, and some of it was just more natural wood grain. But this undercoating does a really good job, so pretty pleased with how that's turning out.